Hi all, let's have a discussion on half-wave comparison scheme, that is one type of wire pilot protection scheme. See, this is almost same like a circulating current scheme, but here only operating principle is different from that. Okay, this is our schematic diagram of the half-wave comparison scheme. Here, the one thing difference is that the relay is only having the operating coil. There is no restraining coil here. Okay, this relay device is having only operating coil. There is no restraining coil. Okay, see that whatever current is flowing through this relay, it should be we are connecting here the extra rectifiers connected here. These rectifiers allow the current flowing through the operating coil. Therefore, here we are connecting extra rectifiers, right? So here the resistance whatever connected RA and RB, these resistance are more than the loop resistance, that is RP resistance you have to take here. Okay, loop resistance RP, that is pilot loop resistance. Okay, see the CTs of A and B here, first end and here one more end is there, A point and B point, there are CTs are there. Okay, second of these CTs are connected here to the pilot wires, right? So here we are considering here the polarities of the voltage applied. See, for the first polarities here at the A point, at the A side, if the polarity A is positive here, at that time RB is shorted. RB is shorted, hence here polarity comes to negative. Okay, when polarity at the A side is positive, B is shorted and polarity here is negative. Therefore, at that time, usually theoretical what happens, the voltage across the A side is 0, but here the resistance RA and RB is more greater than the loop resistance RP, hence loop resistance is low. The voltage theoretically 0 here, but because of this reason, the voltage is slightly negative. Because of this slightly negative voltage at the A side, the relay doesn't operate it. So that this is at the only condition of normal condition and at the external fault occurs. External fault means out of the zone of protection. If external fault occurs at the normal condition, at that time A polarity at the A side, if you apply the RB shorted, here is negative. Okay, but usually theoretically it is 0. RA and RB is greater than the loop resistance, hence it becomes a slightly negative. At this condition the relay doesn't operate it. Is it clear? If that is shown here, see here in the next slide, see here that is the B figure shows that positive polarity at the A side, negative polarity at the B side. Okay, if polarity at the A side is negative, okay, at that time what happens, polarity at the B side is becomes positive. If polarity at the B side, if you make it a positive polarity, positive supply, if you give at the B side, at that time what happen, the RA becomes shorted. See here, the RA becomes shorted, B is positive, RA is shorted, hence it is a negative polarity. But theoretically here voltage at the B side is 0, but RP is less than the resistance of RA and RB, hence the slightly it is a negative, and this condition relay is not operate. Okay, not operating at this condition. That is normal and external faults. Okay, that is shown in the C figure. At the B side positive polarity, this side shorted and negative, that in this condition relay doesn't operate it. If see the D figure, okay, D figure whatever is shown here, the both side A side and B side polarities, supply voltage polarities both sides are positive. ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ polarity positive ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ, the relay during this positive half of cycle, both relays operate in this condition, that is when the fault occurs internally. See here, the whatever protected line is there, the zone of this is under the zone of protection. If fault occurs, internal fault occurs here, at that time internal faults, both side positive side and negative side, both sides for supply voltage is positive polar. Okay, that is one half of the cycle, positive half of cycle, both relays start operate it. Okay, see if polarity at the both sides are negative, that is during the negative half of cycle, the voltage applied at both ends of the coil at is negative as shown here in the E figure. Is it clear? In addition, half-wave rectifier is placed across each relay coil to operate the current during the dead of the cycle. Therefore, non-linear resistors are used to protect the CTs from overvoltages during the dead of cycle, when the two CTs would otherwise be open circuited. Is it clear? This is your half-wave comparison scheme.